was.
Maybe if you try it this way, dude, that would be easier.
Timothy says, I want in.
Is that sun in her eyes?
I don't know. I see. Keep looking at it. What is it?
Yeah.
Do you think it's something you can color on?
It's your very own craft table.
Oh.
How cool is that? Wow. Oh, boy.
Open.
Oh, look it.
You see how that girl's sitting there to do her art projects?
Oh, can your muscles lift it, Addie?
I use my muscles.
Yeah, you gotta use your big one. Don't you?
I use my muscles.
I'm so glad